Here's I'll show you how to add and edit text in Premiere Pro. Go to Tool panel and select this text tool, or you can press T on your keyboard to activate the text tool. Now click on the location you want to add a text. Then go ahead and type in your text. And now to edit this text, highlight your text you want to edit and go to Window. And here, make sure to enable Essential Graphics option, and under Essential Graphics, here click on this Fill Color and go ahead and select a color for your text just like this. And you can change your text size from here, and you can also align your text using this option. You can make your text bold, italic, and now select this Selection or Move tool. And then by clicking and dragging any of this handle, you can also make your text bigger just like this. And here, if you want, you can also add some opacity to your text using this level. And this is how we can actually add and edit text in Premiere Pro.